This is Niagara Falls. They're the largest waterfalls in North America, dumping over 700,000 gallons of water every single second. And in today's video, we're going to be exploring the major attractions, specifically on the Ontario side. But before we get into any of that, I have to go pick up London. Oh yeah, and happy Canada Day. So I'm really excited for this trip because for the last few months, I've been traveling a lot. And while I've been traveling, London's just kind of been at home. And so I'm really excited to finally do something with her. High five. So what part of Niagara Falls are you looking forward to the most?
I would say probably Niagara-On-The-Lake. I think it looks like such a cute little town. I just want to kind of walk around, maybe take some pictures.
Will it be so cute? We'll find out.
Can we get a coffee?
You just got a coffee.
So the lady in front of us actually paid for my drink, so it was free.
Yeah, we didn't even know who it was. That was so sweet.
Was so nice.
Now, fueled by coffee, we were off to Niagara Falls.
We're at Niagara Falls! And today we're going to be doing a jet boat tour, the power station and tunnels at night, and Niagara-on-the-Lake. We've actually been at Niagara for a day, but we got here late last night, so we just walked around a little bit, tried some poutine, and we got pizza for dinner. It's so crazy. Right behind me is the United States, but we'll go there later. We're here at the jet boat tour. We took a quick pit stop at Tim Hortons, and now we're gonna see what this is about. Hey Lennon, what'd you think of the jet tour?
I thought that was so awesome. Definitely feel for the people in front of us who got absolutely soaked.
They kept splashing the people in front of us. The waves got so big, there was parts we couldn't even record. If you're ever at Niagara Falls, I highly recommend a jet tour. Next up is Niagara-on-the-Lake. We're here in Niagara-on-the-Lake. It is so beautiful. You've got the iconic tower behind me, and we're kind of just going to enjoy ourselves, so enjoy the montage. We just had lunch. We went to a local avocado toast place called Avo & Co. It was amazing. If you're ever in Niagara-on-the-Lake, definitely go visit. It was goated. Now we're just gonna walk around, get some souvenirs, and enjoy Niagara-on-the-Lake.
I am almost 100% positive those are bears.
Oh yeah, and London kept calling different animals bears.
Is that a bear?
That's a groundhog.
Is that a bear? That's gotta be a bear.
I don't think she's ever seen a bear before.
You can see up here, we're going to the power station and tunnels at night. I started day 2 with a walk through the town, and I just can't get enough of this view. I am currently on my way to pick up London. Once I get her, we're gonna go ziplining. I was told that we have a video package that will record us, so I am not going to attempt to record the zipline.
And now after some morning coffee, it was time to zipline.
That was the most amazing thing I've ever done, I think.
Yeah, that was so awesome.
But don't get too excited because next up is the Hornblower. This cruise literally takes you straight into the falls, so London and I are pretty excited. Wow, we don't even have words to say how cool that was. If you're ever in Niagara Falls on either side of the border, you have to try the boat tour. On the Canada side, it's the Hornblower, and on the US side, it's the Maiden of the Mist.
Okay, so maybe we didn't actually cross the border, but we were technically in the United States.
I went to New York.
We had to book it back to make it to the Whitewater Walk along some of the Class 6 rapids of Niagara. We also may have eaten pizza 2 nights in a row.
Oh, and happy 4th of July! Here we are at the Arrow Whirlpool car. It's basically just a cable car that goes over these Class 6 rapids we saw earlier on the jet boat. London is terrified of heights, so she's in the car taking a nap, but I'm excited to see this. And after riding the cable car, it was finally time for us to go back home. And yes, this is totally where I live.